Step is a mobile banking experience built for Gen Z. It gives families and teens the tools to manage their money and become financially independent at an early age. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your Step teen banking account. So let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type Step Teen Banking and search for it. So here's the app that you're looking for. To download the app, tap on Get Option. In place of Get Option, there is Open option in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. After that, you'll be able to see an option, Login. Tap on it. Now you need to enter the mobile number associated with your account. Enter the mobile number and then tap on Next. After that, provide the further information asked, and finally you'll be logged into your Step Teen account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.